This is for Year 11 methods. It's about inverses. Okay, so I've got this square root, and the square root graph would be touching at A, and because of the negative on the x, it shoots in this direction, which means that that's the square root of A. Okay, find the equation of the restricted domain. Okay, so the domain of f is minus infinity all the way through to a inclusive of a, because it's all of these values, which is what that there stated. The range of f will be from 0 to infinity, because I can see that the lowest y value is 0 and then it just goes up. So if I'm looking at the inverse, I've got y equals the square root of a minus x. I swap x and y, so x equals the square root of a minus y, x squared equals a minus y, y equals a minus x squared. So it goes through at a and looks like this. It wouldn't be the full parabola because the domain of this will be the range of the original. So the inverse will have the restricted domain 0 to infinity mapping to the codomain of all real numbers, where the inverse of x equals a minus x squared. Okay, so that's part A. Part B then asks me to find A if it intersects at x equals 1. So it will intersect when f of x equals f, the inverse of x. Therefore, the square root of a minus x equals a minus x squared when x equals 1. So the square root of a equals a. Sorry. The square root of a minus 1 equals a minus 1. If I square both sides, a minus 1 equals a squared minus 2a plus 1. Therefore 0 equals a squared minus 3a plus 2. Crisscross that. A, 2, 1, both negative. Therefore a can equal 2 or a could equal 1. Both of them will give you the intersection at x equals 1.